Hey guys, welcome back to Epic Reviews, and today I'm here with, this is Dragon Ball Z Broly, and his, what is this, his base, well it's actually his Super Saiyan form. I was going to say his base form, but no, that's when he has the black hair. This is blue hair, okay? And again, this is made by Bandai, Ichibanji. I'm going to be collecting a couple of figures of these because I like the statues. Plus they're very easy to manage and very simple to put together, so they're very nice and well detailed, especially with the painting and the detail. And so, alright, so this is gonna be the full review of this guy. And before I almost forget, like I did in the last video, I'm gonna show you how tall he is, so you can see. Let's see. Now, he's about shit. Oh, that's gonna be a problem. He's about, let's see how tall he is. Okay. He's about almost 12 inches in height. Okay. From his, the top of his hair, the tip of his hair to his foot, he's about 12 inches in height. But I say he's almost 12, but he's about 11 inches. 11.7 or 8. Alright. And so he comes as one whole piece. The only thing you have to really worry about is this little thing right here. It's also he comes as one whole piece. You can see, and this is what he comes with to help him stand and balance. Okay, and as you can see, he can't stand on his own 2 feet. He'll just fall over. So you're most definitely gonna need the base for this. Okay. So, see, can't stand. So I will do this first. Try and build. You can see the little hole right there. You see where it is. It's designed like a heel. How it goes down. So you'll just do it the way it is. So you can see, you put the back foot on the tallest piece. So like this. You can see. You just have to push it in. It's kind of tough. The first time I did it, so you have to give it some force. Okay. Alright. Okay. And I don't know, basically in that state, what he does is easily to rock him with, but I guess it'll be fine. Okay. Alright, so now I'm gonna do it up close, detail of him. You can see. Got that nice abs and chest, the nice necklace, or I say his controller to help him keep his anger on control, or his power levels that his father used. Got the nice detail. Got his face. Okay. Got the nice shoulders right there. Nice detail in them. You can see it's very nice. Yeah. And one thing I say about these anime characters, Dragon Ball Z characters, is that they do inspire you, make you want to go hit the gym because how good they look. The muscle, you got the muscular black and the nice hair, and he's powering up and stuff, so you can see. Okay, got his necklace right there. Okay, got his boots. Got that nice painting there. Got the one right here. Okay. Got the other part right here. And okay, this is like his signature pose. Okay, so what you can see, yeah, so it's very nice. I'll be taking pictures in the shorts, but this is a very nice figure. I'm so happy to get him. He is my favorite Dragon Ball Z character, and because his shoulders. I have nice shoulders too, so I can relate to him. So, all right. So this is a full review of Bandai Ichibanchi Broly, 1993, I think. And thank you for watching the video. Click the like button, subscribe, click the notification button, leave a comment down below if he's your favorite Dragon Ball Z character. Okay, and I will be posting pictures in the shorts. And thank you for watching.